Okay, I'm gonna work on the porting here a little bit. So I got the exhaust cut away. Got to cut a bunch of material out. Where's my pointer at? Right through here. There's a big lip sticking out that went way across like that. Cut that away. There, cut away some of the sharp edges on the seat. Made it so it flows down real nice. The intake port, we did a lot of cutting on that. So the air can come straight through here real nice and easy. There's all this taper stuff in here. We did the brass. And I had to do a lot of cutting all through here. All this stuff here got cut away. There used to be a big hump right through there. So now it just radiuses right on through. So you get a nice flow right around through this edge here like this. Nice even flow. Comes right out the top like this. So that picks up a lot of power right there. And you see how the airflow has room to go around that valve guide now. Through here. Before this was all blocked off, you couldn't even see the guide hardly. Most of the air goes through here, but there's some to come up this side to take advantage of the shelf across here. Because most of the air comes right through here. Alright, so we're going to finish up this other one. There we go. Go put that down there somewhere so it doesn't get full of chips. Put it in front of the rack there somewhere. Should be room. Or put it on the floor. Okay, you see how this has a sharp edge right here? We cut all that away. All this material through here we had to blend through. Now this one here I cut too much in here. The only thing cut enough, so it's in between the two. The exhaust, we already cut this one out, so we just got to do the intake right now. Through here, you can see how we cut all this lip away through here. All that got cut out. This hump right through here got cut back, way back. This is how it looks now. Go around the hump. So we'll make it go more of a radius. Alright. You watch that, Bill, or are you going to stand?
I'm going to be going.
Going to go blowing? Alright. We'll continue. We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
We got to work on the heads too. They were over here.
Right there.
They are, behind you. I'm going to do a little cutting over here too. I'll work on these here a little bit. Alright, see you next week, Bill.
Yes.
Okay, so Flatheads, you wouldn't have really way of holding them, so we just kind of walk around the bench, chase them as they're moving around. So right now we got a lot of stuff here to go. You see how the thing's moving, you're trying to pour on them. You're trying to block them so they don't move. Nothing really keeps them from doing that though, but you try. I use the electric one initially to knock out some of the high stuff through here. Let's see. Damn it. The stool didn't want to get out of the way. Trying to get a better shot for you to see, but I don't know. It's hard for me to see in here too. If I wear too much of nipples, you cut into the thread and it won't stay put. I don't even want to do that. You can't really see what you're doing, and you can definitely cut big holes in there if you don't want them. So, you see I knocked the radius out of this. Knocked the edge out of that one a little bit. And I cut over that corner right up there. I got cut deeper in that corner, but that's all I can do there. So there's a hump from this side, I don't know if you can see it. You just got to see how my finger goes around the hump. So I'm going to try to cut that away. So we use a different cutter to get in there right now. Come in this big long one, because you get in there at an angle like this. Cut what you need to cut. So I come in with these cutters too. So they kind of bottom out right here. So kind of limit what you can do. You get a big long one in here. All you got is a diameter shaft, 1/4 inch shaft you got to worry about. You can see how the cutter in there is going to cut. I'm trying to make that a straight shot without going up. The cutter goes away from the nipple there. You want to make that as straight as you can. Not dead straight, just a nice long radius is what you're after all the way over to there. Because it has to be at that height there, this height here, in between ones as straight as you can make it. Just can't cut it all the way. Get half of it away. So I just did one, so it's going pretty quick, but hopefully I don't kill myself on the other side. So I cut this whole area out here away that was sticking up about this high. That's all gone. And then we radius this over, so we cut all the way back to here, cut that whole corner off. So I got to blend this all, make a nice long radius right now, which I haven't done yet. So right now I'm just knocking off the heavy stuff. Now I'm going to flip it around and look at it from the other side and see how much damage I did on the other side. Doesn't look like I killed it too bad. Okay, so from this angle you can see what kind of damage you're doing. If you can't tell. So I've been cutting right through here quite a bit. So you can see that's pretty good. I only got this little triangle piece right here to blend in because this is low here. That's low there. This is the high spot. So that's not too bad. And you can see how the radius coming through looks like it's pretty even. There's a hole right through here, so I need a little more cutting through here, which I'll have to do from the other side most likely, but we'll come back from this angle and knock it off. There's actually a ridge like right in here. That's hard to see. It's a high spot. I can cut that from this side because I just come in here, blend it like this, right here, like this, right across the edge, and blend it. And then we come back and then we blend it all the way to here. It's relatively easy right now because I just got done doing this, so I know exactly where I got to cut. Where's that big cutter at? There it is. I'm going to use our long one here because I can see what I'm doing with it pretty good. see the grind marks, but I ground it right through here. Just slip right up where the pointer is. Wrong spot. Right through here. See the different color right in this area? This is dull, this is bright. I just cut this right through here from here to here. Here's what I just got done cutting. You can see where it fogged out right up in here. You just knock that edge out. So now the radius is more consistent all the way across. Now it's just a matter of doing a little blending. A lot of blending. Too close, you're losing a lot of my hand here. So I gotta blend all this stuff in here and up into here. I gotta increase the port size out a little bigger. So I'm gonna come back here and grind this way with my big grinder. And I can start blending it all in. So we got the hard spot out first. Okay, this will size it out bigger. Roughed it in. Need more roughing. Okay, I think I'm going to do some blending. Blend what we can anyway. I don't know if you can see what I can do here, but if I get closer you might be able to see better. See the forward exhaust, it blows all the chips out of my way so I can see. Look at this other side. So go ahead and do a little cutting here. You can see I'm widening the port right here. Yeah, way too close. So our seat's way the hell out here. The inner seat, the inner angle's right here, and that's way inside. So you can cut away just about all of that inner angle. You can show you initially I cut this off already. I need to cut more to blend it all the way over here. I'll give it a sharp edge a little bit. It's like a knife edge in there right now. Alright, so that's all blended right through here now. Pull that out. So a nice radius up around in here. See I blended right over the edge of my seat a little bit. Kind of radius it around. Took out the low spot there, or the high spot, so now the air comes through straight through. Still got to work on it all through here a little bit. See, it's not high right here, it's just this is cut out too much in here. I had the wrong cutter angles. So right through here it's real nice and smooth, so we're going to continue that, let it jump across the low spot. Just have to deal with it. When you're the guinea pig on the porting, that's what happens. This side over here, it's a little bit high right through here. I'm going to knock this down a little bit and blend it up into here. I haven't blended this part yet, right here. And I'll come back and blend the center in. So this is, you can see the cutting very good on that side. Okay. Rust brake.